It's time to turn your dreams into reality. You have the power within you to achieve anything you want in life, but it requires a focused and dedicated approach to harness that potential. In this video, we will reveal a blueprint for success that will help you make your dreams come true. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey that will change your perspective and propel you towards your goals. So let's dive in. Define your dreams and set clear goals. The first step in turning your dreams into reality is to clearly define what you want. Take the time to explore your aspirations and set clear, concise goals that serve as milestones on your journey. Your dreams could encompass various aspects of your life, such as personal growth, financial abundance, health and wellness, or creative pursuits. It's essential to be specific about what you want to achieve. For example, instead of saying, "I want to become wealthy," define a numerical target, like "I want to earn $1 million. By setting clear and measurable goals, you provide yourself with a roadmap to success. It allows you to track your progress, celebrate milestones, and make adjustments along the way. Remember, a dream without a goal is just a wish. Break down your goals into smaller steps. Once you've defined your overarching goals, it's time to break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This process is crucial because it makes your dreams feel less overwhelming and more attainable. Large goals can sometimes be daunting, leading to procrastination or a sense of hopelessness. However, when you break them down into smaller steps, each one becomes a mini victory that propels you forward. For instance, if your goal is to publish a book, break it down into steps like write 500 words every day, research publishing options, and connect with literary agents. By focusing on these smaller steps, you create a sense of momentum and maintain motivation throughout your journey. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with just one step. Develop a plan of action. With your goals broken down into smaller steps, it's time to develop a plan of action. This is where you turn your dreams from aspirations into tangible steps you can take every day. A plan of action provides structure and helps you stay accountable. It should include specific actions, timelines, and resources needed to achieve each step. To continue with our previous example, your plan of action might involve setting aside specific times in your day to write, creating a spreadsheet to track your word count, and researching publishing houses during your lunch break. Having a plan keeps you focused and prevents you from getting sidetracked by distractions. It's your roadmap to success, guiding you through the necessary actions to turn your dreams into reality. Cultivate a positive mindset. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in whether you can turn your dreams into reality. It's essential to cultivate a positive and growth-oriented mindset to overcome challenges and setbacks. Negative thoughts and self-limiting beliefs can hinder your progress and prevent you from achieving your goals. For example, if you constantly tell yourself, "I'm not good enough" or "I always fail," it will become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Instead, focus on positive affirmations and visualization. Visualize yourself achieving your dreams and say affirmations like, "I am capable of achieving anything. I set my mind to." By cultivating a positive mindset, you build resilience, increase your self-belief, and attract opportunities that align with your dreams. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Use it to your advantage in the pursuit of your dreams. Take inspired action. Now that you have a plan of action, it's time to take inspired action toward your dreams. This is where the rubber meets the road and your dreams begin to materialize. Don't let analysis paralysis or fear hold you back. Start taking small steps. Even if they seem insignificant, every action, no matter how small, moves you closer to your goals. For instance, if your dream is to start a business, take action by researching the market, developing a business plan, or registering your business name. Even dedicating 30 minutes a day to working on your dream can yield significant results over time. Remember, it's often the small, consistent actions taken daily that lead to extraordinary results. Stay persistent and embrace challenges. The path to achieving your dreams is rarely a straight line. There will be obstacles, setbacks, and moments of self. However, it's essential to stay persistent and embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth. Setbacks are an inevitable part of any journey. They don't mean you've failed. Instead, they provide valuable lessons and insights that can make you more resilient and adaptable. When faced with challenges, stay positive, analyze the situation, and adjust your plan of action accordingly. Remember, persistence is key. Keep moving forward, learn from your experiences, and don't give up on your dreams. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Self-belief is a powerful force that can either hold you back or propel you forward on your journey to achieving your dreams. It's crucial to believe in your abilities and have confidence in your potential. Many people have dreams but don't believe they can actually achieve them. They might say things like, "It is too late for me," or "I am not talented enough." These negative self-beliefs become self-fulfilling prophecies that limit their success. Instead, focus on your strengths, past achievements, and the value you bring. Believe that you have what it takes to make your dreams a reality. When you have unwavering belief in yourself, you become unstoppable in your pursuit of success. Learn continuously and expand your knowledge. Continuous learning and personal growth are vital to turning your dreams into reality. Expanding your knowledge and skills equips you with the tools and expertise needed to pursue your dreams effectively. Whether it's reading books, attending workshops, or taking online courses, invest in your own development. Learning not only enhances your capabilities, but also keeps your mind sharp and adaptable. For example, if your dream is to become a social media learn about social media marketing, content creation, and audience engagement. By continuously learning and staying updated in your field, you position yourself for success and open doors to new opportunities. Remember, your thirst for knowledge will quench the fire of your dreams. Seek support and build a network. Surrounding yourself with the right people can significantly impact your ability to turn your dreams into reality. Seek out mentors, coaches, friends, and family members who believe in you and support your goals. Building a strong network of like-minded individuals can provide you with the emotional support, guidance, and resources necessary to stay motivated and focused. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Connecting with others who share similar dreams and aspirations can also keep you accountable and inspired. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. With the support of a great network, you can turn your dreams into a shared reality, celebrate your achievements, and learn from setbacks. Finally, it's essential to celebrate your achievements along the way and learn from any setbacks you encounter. Achieving milestones, no matter how small, should be celebrated. It helps maintain motivation and reinforces the progress you're making toward your dreams. On the other hand, setbacks and failures are opportunities to learn and grow. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach, and move forward with newfound wisdom. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey filled with ups and downs. By celebrating the highs and learning from the lows, you become more resilient and better equipped to turn your dreams into reality. And there you have it, the blueprint for turning your dreams into reality. Remember, it's a journey that requires careful planning, dedication, and persistence. Now it's time to take action. Define your dreams, break them down into achievable goals, develop a plan of action, and cultivate a positive mindset. Don't forget to celebrate your achievements and learn from your setbacks. As you follow this blueprint, stay curious, embrace challenges, and never stop believing in yourself. With unwavering determination and a clear roadmap, you can turn your dreams into reality. Thank you for watching this video. We wish you all the best in turning your dreams into reality. May your goals become a beautiful masterpiece in the canvas of your life. Until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep chasing your dreams.